Students, a very good morning to all of you. Hope you will be fine. Today we will study about C if else statement. Now, if else statement is used to perform the operations based on some specific condition. In this block are executed if and only if the given condition is true. Now we have following type of if else statement. First is if statement, second one is if else statement, third is if else if ladder, and fourth one is nested if. So we will describe each statement one by one. First, if statement. If statement is used to check some given condition and perform some operation based on the correctness of that condition. Now its syntax is given by if expression and statement. Now let us see a program to find out whether a number is even or odd. So here we have to use the if condition. We have a main function. Inside the main function, I am writing only the pseudo code, that is if number percentile to equal to 0, then it is a even number, and after that you can print that even number. So this is only the pseudo code that I have written here. You can write the full program. Now if else statement. Now in this we have a single statement what we can perform two operations. For example, if the condition is true, you can choose the condition 1, and if it is false, we can go for another statement. So let us take an example of this. Its syntax is given by if expression statement 1 else statement 2. Now let us see a program and find out the number is even or odd with the help of if else statement. So the pseudocode is given by, we have a main function. Inside the main function, take a number equal to 0, printf, enter any number, scanf, percentile d, address of number. If number percentile 2 equal to 0, printf percentile d is even number, else printf percentile d is odd number. So you have seen here we have used on these statement. If condition is true, then this statement is executed, and if the condition is false, this statement is executed. So this is the if else statement. Now we have another variant of if else statement, that is known as if else ladder. In this, the various statements are linked together. Now, as the flowchart is given here, in this we have seen if the condition is true, statement 1 is executed. If the condition is false, statement 2 is executed. And this is the syntax of if else statement, and this is the program to find out a given number is even or odd. In the next lecture we will study about the if else ladder. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.